Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. This one is 2015, but it's the same, pretty much the same on 2015, 16, 17. So the sizes of the wiper I got them from Costco have been like $5 on sale, $5 for each wiper. Regular price is about $7, $7-8. The sizes are 21 and 22, which the driver side is the smaller 21. The passenger side is 22. Now to take off the wiper, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and you're just gonna have to shove the screwdriver in this hole here and push it up. After you push it up, you're gonna pull it back and you're gonna pull the wiper down to release it, and it's gonna go up. It's like a small clip, so you take it down and you pull it to the side. Okay, so after we remove all the wiper, what you need to do is to release this part from the wiper. So the wiper, when it's come from the store, it's gonna come with this part inside. It's gonna be like that. So to release it, you're just gonna pull it out with 2 fingers, a little bit of force, and you're just gonna slide out. Now this part you need to push into the hook. So this is the adapter. You're just gonna push it like that, and you're gonna push it all the way inside. After you do that, you're gonna take the wiper. You're gonna see the small clips inside. The small clip is gonna come up exactly to the piece that we just put inside the hook, and you're gonna push it inside until you really click. And you can wiggle it a little bit to make sure it's good, and you can remove the plastic cover. That's it. This is how you install the Costco Goodyear wipers on the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2015, 16 and 17. Thank you.